Hello all. In today's Mafia reading task, I am going to speak about the Indira Nui, who is an Indian business executive and former chief executive officer of Pepsi Company. Indira Nui born on 28th October 1955 in Madras. In education, she completed her BS from Madras Christian College and MBA from Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta in 1976. She played guitar in a band and was also a member of an all-girls cricket team member in earlier days. Her first job after earning her degree was with Tutal, a British textile company. Later on, she was hired as the brand manager at the Bombay offices of Johnson & Johnson. At that time, she was given the stay-free account, which might have proved a major challenge for even an experienced marketing executive. The line had just been introduced on the market in India and struggled to create an identity with its target customer. That is, it was a fascinating experience because you could not advertise personal protection in India. She recalled the same in interview with the Financial Times. She began to feel that perhaps she was underprepared for the business world. So she started study at the Yale University's Graduate School of Management in New Haven. She quickly settled into her new life, but she struggled to make ends meet over next 2 years. She also had to work as an overnight receptionist to make ends meet. During her interview with Murray, she told that my whole summer job was done in a sari because I had no money to buy clothes. Even when she went for an interview at the prestigious company of the business consulting firms that hired business school students, she wore sari as she could not afford a business suit. After that, she did work with many business groups like Boston Motorola, Asia Brown, Boveri Inclus. In 1994, Nui joined the PepsiCo as a senior vice president of corporate strategy and development. In 2001, she was named president and the chief financial officer of the company. Nui was responsible for guiding a major restructuring which included the company's spin-off, its restaurants, which included KFC, Pizza Hut and Taco Bell. Nui was assumed the title of the CEO in October 2006 and the next year became chairman of the board as well. The fifth chairman and CEO in PepsiCo's 42-year history, Nui was the first woman to lead the soft drink and snack food giant and one of only 11 female chief executives of Fortune 500 companies. Under her leadership, PepsiCo's revenues increased from $35 billion in 2006 to $63.5 billion in 2017. In 2018, it was announced that Nui would be stepping down as the CEO in October and as chairman of the board in early 2019. Regarding her personal life, Indra married Raj K. Nui, president at Armsoft Systems in 1981, and she has two daughters. Till date, she received many awards as best CEO in the world, and her name is also listed in the world's most 100 powerful women. As per her, every morning you have got to wake up with a healthy fear that the world is changing and a conviction that to win you have to change faster and be more agile than anyone else. Thank you.